Although CBD is deemed safe and well tolerated in the correct amounts, it has its downsides. Studies on it are limited, the CBD industry is unregulated, and there are side effects linked to it. This article highlights the downsides of CBD oil that you need to know before settling for it. CBD oil is fast becoming popular and is marketed as a fairly safe product. Yet, it has its downsides that you need to know about before settling for it. CBD studies are limited, and while CBD proponents claim that CBD oil can help with different problems, there is insufficient scientific evidence to prove this. Besides, some studies show that CBD might lead to toxicity, especially while overdosed, while others point out that it might cause negative drug interactions. Dive into this article to know the possible downsides of CBD oil. Introducing CBD oil. Knowing what CBD is before opting for it is more than important. The Just CBD Full Spectrum Oil and CBD Tincture are among the many CBD oils you will find in the CBD space. Despite the many brands dealing in CBD products, not everyone has the right information about CBD. According to Massey et al. 2006, CBD is a non-psychoactive cannabinoid, and one of the many in hemp plants. Cannabinoids refer to the chemical compounds in cannabis plants, CBD and THC being the widely studied ones. Watt Carl, 2017, stated that CBD is therapeutic, all the more why people opt for it. Unlike THC, which Lyons et al. 2018, described as intoxicating, CBD oil is non-intoxicating and does not cause the high effect of smoking weed. Types of CBD oil. CBD oil is an overall term, but if you are set to join the CBD regime, you need to understand the types of the cannabinoid. Most brands offer CBD oil and other products in one or more of the following CBD types. Full Spectrum CBD oil features CBD with the entire range of cannabinoids, including CBN, CBC, CBT, and the psychoactive THC. According to Van Dola et al. 2019, the multiple compounds in the full spectrum lead to the full entourage effect. Isolate-based CBD oil has pure CBD without additional cannabinoids, terpenes, and flavonoids. It is great for people who are starting out the CBD regime and find the earthy taste that terpenes and flavonoids unbearable. Broad-spectrum CBD oil features as many cannabinoids, terpenes, and flavonoids as full-spectrum CBD oil but no THC. If you want to enjoy a full entourage effect without THC, broad-spectrum CBD oil should meet your needs. Is CBD safe? With the many CBD products in the hemp space, you certainly want to know if CBD oil and other products are safe. The cannabinoid is climbing the popularity index, making it critical for you to know how safe it is. According to Karoon Phillips, 2018, CBD has a good safety profile. Many people perceive the cannabinoid as safe, specifically when administered in the right dosages. Still, this does not mean that you can take any CBD amount without fearing anything. According to Base Lins, 2020, CBD can cause toxicity. In the report, an old man ingested 375 milligrams of CBD gummies from a gas station and suffered slurred speech and loss of consciousness. It was only after being put on an oxygen supply that he gained consciousness after a day. Thus, CBD oil and products can lead to detrimental effects when administered in high amounts. CBD downsides. Are there other downsides linked to CBD oil than toxicity? There are quite a handful of issues you need to know about before settling for CBD oil. Although CBD oil usage is widespread, the cannabinoid faces limitations in research. There are limited CBD studies and the existing research faces its fair share of challenges. For instance, Watt Carl, 2017, quoted earlier stated that CBD is therapeutic, but more research is needed to prove this. Many research papers, magazines, and other databases see potential in the cannabinoid, making more people get attracted to CBD products, yet, there are insufficient scientific studies to prove this. Meissner-Kiskela, 2021, reported that CBD oil can cause negative drug interactions, especially when taken with blood thinners. Besides, the CBD industry is largely unregulated and most brands offer substandard products. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.